everybody. We are here inside the bus, Tin Lizzie, working on what some said would be impossible. We're going to build a sliding door for under the bed. We're going to prove the naysayers wrong. That underneath here, in this opening, there will be a door that just slides out of the way. And to do that, we got some 24-inch ball bearing slides from Home Depot. We're going to make some tracks on the top and the bottom. And then we got a little bit more plywood too, which is super expensive right now. I don't know, I guess there's some sort of lumber shortage due to COVID, but it's real expensive to get plywood. It was like a 4x8 sheet that's usually like 10 bucks of the 1/4 inch stuff is like $27 right now, which is just mind-blowing. So I got one of those too. We're going to use a door. We're going to make a door out of that. We'll do the same farm style perimeter with the wood that we've been doing on the benches. And then if we got a little bit of space left, once that door slides open, I'd like to put a little bookshelf as requested by Liz, so we will get that done too. But I think you guys saw the recap of what was done already and what our next steps are. So enjoy. So as you may be able to see, we got a bunch done today. So number one, I got these drawers in. So we got a little bit extra storage here, you know, clothing, whatever. Obviously this place is a mess. I can't wait to have it clean. I also built this nice little storage bin here. So kind of like larger things, or maybe things that you don't use so often, but you still kind of want to access through the top of the bed, you can do. And then everyone said it wouldn't be possible, but I did make a little bookshelf here, or cubby or whatever. Could put soap in there, could put books in there, who knows, whatever. And then finally I got my gate, our sliding door in, which looks super cool and totally closes off the bottom of the bed now. So all that stuff inside of there is all storage, and then if you need to crawl in there and find anything, you can. Let me put down the top of the bed here so you can see what it looks like. So there you have it. Pretty much all bare wood right now. It'll get painted soon. I think that might be one of the next big steps, but pretty much the bed is all framed out. Last little wood project back here is going to be putting a little bookshelf along the top edge here. I have to find a nice way to do that. But all in all, it's come together really well, and I hope you enjoyed watching what I've done so far, and continue watching on YouTube or wherever else this ends up. Bye.